How to fix message blocked on your Gmail. In this video, guys, I have the great solution and the easiest way how to fix this problem on your Gmail. Just watch this video till the end. So first, you don't have to open your Gmail. You will go directly to settings of your device or your phone. After this, you have to open only apps option. Here, as you see, you will find all the applications that you have already at your phone. You have to search only for Gmail. Where is open it? When you found it, then you have this list. You have to scroll up the screen and go to storage option. When you open it, you have to go to the last button, clear data, then click OK and click on clear cache also and go back. Click on force stop and click also OK, and now you have to go to install unknown apps and you have to allow this like this, and that's it. Your problem will be fixed. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like and also subscribing in our channel, and see you in another video.